What's up, guys? Day 33. It's going to be a short stream today because this is the only time I have today. I've not been home since 8:45. I'm currently at my girlfriend's house, but that has not stopped me before. So we're gonna get this done. I was looking through I did the rows thing wrong apparently. I tried to write a basic scan thing to get the preferences data. Um, but it did not work. So I actually was just not pre-allocating. I just didn't do Go in a while. But that's for later. I'll talk about that. That's pretty much my only goal for today. Well, is to do this one LeetCode thing, which is a hard, and that's real scary. So this might be the only one that I do tonight. Sorry, I'm trying to get to I only have my laptop, so I want to open up this thing on my phone. Ellie. All right, we back. Given an m by n grid, each cell of the grid has a sign pointing to the next cell you should visit if you are currently in this cell. What the fuck? Okay, so it's like a vector map, kinda. Okay. One means go to the cell to the right, i.e. go from... Yeah, okay, sure. So right, left, down, up. Notice there could be some signs on the cell that point outside of the grid. Okay, so you always have to bounds check. You will initially start the upper left cell. A valid path in the grid is a path that starts from the upper left cell and ends in the bottom right cell, following the signs on the grid. The valid path does not have to be the shortest. You can modify the sign on the cell for the cost of 1. Oh, interesting. And you can only modify it once. Shit. Okay. Return the min cost to make the grid have at least one valid path. Holy shit. What a problem. Okay. So obviously my brain goes to Dijkstra for a path algorithm. But we've got to find the min cost, which doesn't have to be the shortest. So it's I almost kind of want to just see if you can even... Do you always want to check? You want to check if you can continue before flipping anything, because you never want to... Right? You always want to check if you can just natively make a path. Oh God. How do you know when to flip, though, is the thing. How do you know when to flip? Because like I'm assuming in this example, it's just like you take it down, and then you'd flip this one to make it 1, 2, 3, and then you'd be down. You just make everything else point down. Yeah, change the arrow to down, change the arrow to down, change the arrow to down. But it's like, in this case, it just naturally follows, okay? And then in this case, oh wait, what would you even flip in this case? I just flip this one down. Dude, fuck me. What is this problem? Okay. I mean, I can start just trying to think out loud of some stuff I can do, but I really don't know. Like, naive solution is just... No, naive solution disregarding min cost is just like flip everything to get to far right and then just go down. Just flip to go down. I don't know how that helps me to type out, but whatever. Live streaming my life here, mate? Yeah, this problem is fucking insane. Like, do we essentially just make like a weighted graph? Or we just make each branch cost something? Because like, dude, fuck if I know. Like, try to get as close to the bottom right as possible with no flips. And then just start flipping? On-call night shift, keep me company? Hey, you're keeping me company, big dog. This hard problem is scary. Oh my god. Where do we like BFS with keeping track of the weights so far? Ooh, yeah, I think it's that. I think you BFS with keeping track of weights so far, and then BFS every direction, taking into account that when you swap an arrow, that increments the cost. And then we need a way to keep like the minimum thing at every time, so probably like a heap or something, like a min heap. Maybe min heap for each grid position. So we keep track of the lowest cost to get to that point. Does that even work? Never coded in my life. I don't know how this video came up. Yeah, I have no fucking clue. I appreciate your click though. You can watch me lose my mind for 30 seconds and then move on with your life. Drop a sub. Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you, my brother. Okay. I think we have something cooking here with this BFS. I think we have something cooking. And then just, we would like turn the cost at the bottom right of the array that we made. Hey man, what's up, man? What's up, man? Sorry, I have to read your comments on my phone, so it's a little bit hard to see. On the scuffed 1 monitor setup right now. Bum, 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 bum. Right. Is this called pseudocoding or something? Yeah. I'm just trying to talk myself through the problem before I start coding. So I have like a decent idea of what I'm doing. It's cooking from Boston here. My friend goes to school in Boston. I've never been though. I've never been actually anywhere on the East Coast. Now that I think about it. Seems you're from Northwestern. I'm from Northeastern. Oh hell yeah! Directional schools rise up. Bum, bum, bum. I think I'm gonna need a cost array. So we keep track of the lowest cost at that point. See, I looked at your bookmarks. Oh yeah. I also have it just like in my bio of my YouTube channel. The 2nd year CS student. Alright. I think I have like a decent idea of what I want to do in this problem. Not a great one, but like good enough to start. Is it guaranteed a solution? I should probably look at the constraints. Well, yeah, because you can always flip everything. I'm gonna try to solve this too. Did you get it? Because it doesn't really look fun. Height equals length of grid width with that. Nope, didn't get the solution. I'll try to do it for us then. Not that I'll be much more successful, probably. I'm already 15 minutes in and I've only talked myself through a problem. Okay, so I gotta keep track of these signs. Probably gonna have to do this of, so 1 means go right, so 0, 1. 2 means go left. 3 means just stay, I gotta support you. I appreciate it. And then this will be 1, 0, and then lastly negative 1, 0. So we have these matched up according to that. And then we just gotta make our cost thing, right? I think. Sorry, I'm checking an email. Okay. Any comments on LeetCode Premium thing and buying for internship specific companies? I don't know. I think there's definitely like some viability to it, but there's also just like a bunch of Reddit threads of like, if the company's big enough, like people will just leak the problem already, and then you can just find it. Find lists online. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How the fuck? I keep forgetting how you do heaps in Python. Oh yeah. It's like this weird heapify thing. Yeah, okay. Okay. So I just heapify 0, 0, 0, right? What else do I need to do? Oh, costs. We're looking for min costs. We want to do float infinites. For that in range of width. And then I think that's the right syntax. I kind of forget. Yeah, whatever. I'll figure it out. Is it heap.heapify? What do we want to heapify though? We want to keep track of the lowest. Wait, what the fuck what was I using the heap for again? Min heap for each grid position, so we keep track of the lowest cost to get to that point. Okay. Are heaps in this natively min heaps? I think they are. I think. Yeah, that's what I thought. Tis what I thought. So we need to keep track of sorry, I also just thought I gotta do this. Make the first one, because you always start the first one, so you're never gonna incur a cost for that. Similarly for this, we're gonna do a row call cost. Oh, but do I do a tuple? Shit, how do I do that? I think I do a tuple. I think. Oh god, my battery percentage has gone down 10% already. No, I'm... Oh, we got a BFS. So in this case, like our queue is our heap pretty much. So while heap cur equals, or I should probably just decompose the thing. So row cost equals heap dot, what was it, heap pop? I can't rename this. Heap dot, or is it heap q dot? Oh, it is. So I can't actually. Oopsies. I should one day actually learn these algorithms, but until then I'm balling out. Heap q dot heap pop of heap. Yeah, that's fire. Okay. So we have our current node. So we have our current node, and then we want to pretty much update the cost if it's possible. So we got to move in. I don't know if this is right. Kind of feels out of turn. Or would I have already done this? No, I don't think so, because I'm going to BFS it. Or do you do the one with the lowest cost always? I don't know. I'm trying to think. I'll just leave it. It's fine. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Do I think it's going to hurt anything, actually? I don't know. Technically, yeah, what the fuck? Like, fuck you, Shaman. Actually? Isn't Dexter's just a type of BFS? What if I just wanted to be more broad and inclusive? The fuck? Alright, now we gotta go over these. Okay. So we go over so I need to go in every direction, which I map to this moves thing. So grid RC. Okay. For move, and then DRDC in zip move stir. that's how zip works? And then new row, new call equals plus dr c plus dc. Per cost equals cost. If grid, do we check the previous row for the cost? Oh shit. I'm trying to think for like the matching of 1, 2, like the move part of this. So like this part, if I'm looking at the dr or the like new r new c, or if I'm looking at oh fuck, I'm completely forgetting about bounds checking too. No, I'm pretty sure I check the current grid, like at RC for the arrow, and see if that matches the move, because then it wouldn't be an extra cost. I guess skip it if it's not here. Why am I putting out here? I don't know. Zero is greater than or equal to the column, which is less than the width. If not valid, new R, new C. Then I want to examine it. So that means, because down here we'll do some heap push thing. So that means that every heap push, we're going to have something valid. So I think we check if R is, I'm also realizing I'm pretty sure I just did this wrong. I did it right. And C is with -1, that means we're at the end. Hello? Else we keep moving. So heap q.heap push heap, and then the value would be new R, new C. cost. I think. Did I do what I said I would do? Cost array, I did do that. Am I setting them every time though? Yeah, I am. Technically, it should always reach this. Fuck it. What's wrong? Shit. I'll put a null. Okay. So we're just never getting there. Oh, brother. How much time have I spent on this already? 30 minutes. This is bad news bears. Alright, where am I going wrong? So we're apparently just never reaching this. But why? It's hard because these test cases are also like not easily digestible. I guess we can try to add some print statements because like this logic seems fine. I don't need an array here. Alright, I could just do because since this is actually not a mutable thing. And costs is 0, we heapify 0, 0, 0. Pop it, so it'd be 0, 0, 0. That's fine. If we're at the end, we return the costs. Maybe I'm getting this move thing wrong. Wait, what? It's just never... Why is it never getting printed? Wait, okay, so I'm fucking something up. Because why am I never getting in the while loop? What? Why is my heap none? Oh, it's in place, so you don't return anything. I swear to God, that's gonna get me every time. But then how do you assign it to a value? Do I just do... Output limit exceeded. Alrighty. I'm gonna time limit exceed. This is crazy. Means I'm never hitting this case. Oh yeah. Does anyone see where I'm going wrong? Because I'm kind of going a little crazy. So we pop RC cost. If we're at the bottom right, at the bottom right, we return the cost at the bottom right. Else we move through the possible things. Do I need to like cache it somehow? Probably cycles. Oh shit. Print heap on each loop. This bitch just getting huge. Yeah, she's just getting huge. Okay. So how do I avoid cycles? Maybe move this in the if statement. Nope. Oh, that's the print thing though. Nope. How the fuck do you do cycle detections on this hoe? No, that's not even right, because it could be just optimal to not take. Do you keep a visited thing? But then you can only visit everything once. Do I keep a visited? No, but the whole point is to... The whole point is to possibly come into things with different cost values, so you can't just keep a visited thing. How the fuck do you not get cycles? Shaman, I need a hint. Okay, I'm pretty sure I did this. Might be ChatGPT time. What the fuck do you mean? I thought you already did this. Problem is that you're traversing when you go to a specific row column with the worst cost. So fuck. Alright, I'm throwing in the towel. Dude, you're welcome to backseat at all times. You should know that by now. I should probably just like move this to here, right? I don't know. Whatever, I'm going on Instagram. Only got so much longer on TikTok. On the heap, you need to put cost first. Oh, motherfucker, you're joking. Yeah, why did I think it would min heap? Alright, sure. I don't know what the fuck drugs I was on. I was like, oh, it'll just know. Nah, that shit's still failing. Alright. What are some issues with this? I mistyped. Oh, great. That's great. I'm so fucking funny. What else did I do wrong? Oh, that's because I moved that in here. Also, since I already know it's Oh my god, so it's just me being actually schmatarded. I'm so funny. Alright. I'm only doing that one. Fuck that, I'm not doing another problem. You got me fucked up. How long did that take me? 46 minutes. Probably like 40, because first 5 were me yapping. Wow, I'm slow. Yippee! Alright. I was gonna maybe do this twilio thing. I still can try it. Because essentially I'm just doing like, I want to get like a thing with this array of preferences returned, which is just user ID and preferences. So I can see if that's working just by doing a quick test in, so we got save user preferences, get available favorites. So then we can also do fuck, what did I call this? Get all users and preferences. So there's db dot. Okay, and we should expect yeah. I mean, low-key, this should like kind of test fine. Yeah. Why is it selecting star? Let me just I also don't know why I have Copilot enabled right now, but I think I was doing poly-sci notes, unironically. Wait, why is it not? Printf, Okay, cool. So we're getting there, which means that's working as we think it is, which means we can go into our Twilio. Uncomment that, and then available favorites today. Oh, that's also going to fail in the DB test. I just remembered. Okay. Food. Subject is that. Just make it go to my Western email right now. So I need to be sprintfing this for each one. Or no, I need to be able to get their email. How do I do that with that Firebase though? How do we get email from user ID Firebase? Hopefully I can do this. Maybe I'll need to be posting, like alongside the user ID, the email of the user. I think I'll just write the pseudo code for it, and then I'll figure that out tomorrow, because I want to get off. Oop. Each user ID. Grab the email. The user ID somehow. I have to store email. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to figure out. We need to get the available favorites. This is actually a wrong function, because this just gets all their preferences data. We need to know if it's available for today. This is going to be quite slow, actually. Because I'm going to try to loop through all of... Oh, there's going to have to be a better SQL way to do this. Because essentially I need to go through every user, taking their preferences, and check like item by item if it's in the daily items. It'll probably be better to just get the daily items in an array and then just like run a native like array thing instead of running all that SQL. Yeah. to do because I want to get off. To do grab array of daily items and then run the contains function for the user preferences. So we return user ID and the items that are available instead of SQL creating if it's in DB for each user. Boo, very slow. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna end here. I'm tired. I'll see you tomorrow for day 34. What the fuck is this stream? 33. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 34. Beep you. Bye bye.